Hi everyone, and welcome back to your phonics lesson for adults. This is level 1, but part 2, where we make some sentences with the words that we learned in the very first lesson. We are going to use the letters, the sounds that go with AM, AM, and AP, app. So let's get started reading our words, our sentences that will be right here. Are you ready? Good. Subscribe to the channel. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm happy to have you, and I'm happy to help you learn phonics really quickly. So let's get started. Here, ready? Look at the picture. We're going to make a sentence about this picture, and it'll go across the bottom. Number 1. The ram is on. The ram is on the cap. The ram is on the cap. Cool. The ram is on the cap. How was that? Easy? Let me know in the comments. Number 2, right here. The jam is on the ham. The jam is on the ham. Yeah, the jam is on the ham. Maybe good, maybe bad. I don't know. Number 3. It was stuck. Number 3. Right here. The. Stick your tongue out. It's okay. The ram has a nap. Ooh, I'm sleepy too. The ram has a nap. The ram has a nap. Perfect. Number 4. Yeah, I got it right. Right here. The map. The map is on his lap. His lap, right? The map is on his lap. Great. The map is on his lap. Cool. Number 5. Right here. The dam. The dam is on the map. See, we're getting faster, right? The dam is on the map. You can see the dam. The dam is on the map. Perfect. And number 6. I had to set the paper down. Number 6. He, the man, he has a nap on a map. The boy, he, man, boy, the boy. He has a nap on the map. Yeah, he has a nap on the map. Great job. Okay, let's review all 6 quickly. Ready? The ram is on the cap. The jam is on the ham. The ram has a nap. The map is in his lap. The dam is on the map. He has a nap on the map. Great job today. I hope you enjoyed reading your first sentences. I'm very proud of you, and I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.